Hi everyone! Are you struggling to manage your products across Shopify and TikTok Shop? If you're spending hours updating products manually, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use the Optima connector app to filter your products smarter and take advantage of the powerful bulk edit feature. Let's jump right in.
Once inside our Shopify dashboard, we open the Optima connector app. Under the Product Management header, the TikTok Shop Products tab is your central command center. On the right, the Optimizer badge gives you smart recommendation tips to improve listing health, while the status filter lets you quickly check active, deactivated, under review, sync failures, or suspended. You can also use the columns dropdown to customize your workspace and the actions column to quickly edit, unlink, or delete individual items. Now let's look at the real magic. Bulk editing. Simply select your target products on the left and click Bulk Edit Products. First, we assign a uniform TikTok category, like blouses and shirts under women's tops. After a quick confirmation, the system dynamically loads all necessary product attributes like neckline, material, brand, and shipping dimensions. You can even configure uniform title prefixes or suffixes. Hit Save in the bottom right, and your updates go live instantly. Back on the dashboard, the top bulk checklist dropdown offers extra utility, allowing you to instantly resync products from Shopify, refresh live sync statuses, or bulk delete items. And that's how simple it is to keep your stores in perfect sync. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.